Research is the foundation of any informed business strategy, academic paper, or creative project. However, the traditional process of finding, reading, and synthesizing information is slow and prone to human error. With the rapid expansion of artificial intelligence, a new class of specialized research tools has emerged, promising to streamline this workflow. To see if these promises hold true, we systematically tested 7 different AI tools for research over several weeks of intensive testing. In this video, we will evaluate these applications based on their ability to source accurate data, summarize complex findings, and extract key insights. Rather than relying on marketing hype, we focused on practical performance, interface usability, and the risk of hallucination. By comparing these tools, we aim to help you identify which applications are worth integrating into your professional workflow and which ones you should avoid. Whether you are a student compiling a thesis, a creator writing an educational script, or a business owner analyzing market reports, this breakdown will help you navigate the landscape of digital tools. We hope this review provides a clear path forward for your team. First, let us examine the tools designed specifically for academic literature search and verification. We tested Consensus, Elicit, and scite.ai to see how they handle scientific queries. Traditional search engines return links based on search engine optimization, which often leads to marketing material rather than peer-reviewed evidence. In contrast, Consensus queries a database of millions of academic papers and uses language models to extract directly stated conclusions. When we asked Consensus about the efficacy of a specific compound, it provided a percentage consensus score based on the literature, showing what portion of studies supported the claim. This feature is particularly useful for establishing quick baseline facts. Elicit excels at extracting data points from tables inside papers. When we uploaded a batch of PDFs, Elicit automatically created a comparison matrix, pulling out the methodology, sample sizes, and main findings without manual reading. This saves hours of manual spreadsheet entry and reduces errors. This makes it easier to spot trends and identify outliers in data sets without having to read hundreds of pages manually. The visual layout of these tools also helps in comparing different studies side by side. scite.ai takes verification further by analyzing how subsequent papers have cited a specific study. Instead of just showing that a paper has been cited 100 times, Scite tells you if those citations support, mention, or contrast the findings. This is valuable for identifying studies that have been refuted or heavily questioned by the wider scientific community. During our tests, these academic tools showed a high degree of accuracy because they restrict their answers to the provided text, minimizing the hallucination rate. However, they require clean search queries and a basic understanding of research methodologies to be effective. For professionals and creators who need to back their assertions with hard evidence, using a tool that searches peer-reviewed literature is a significant upgrade over generic search engines. It ensures your references are grounded in verified studies rather than corporate blog posts. Second, we turned our focus to document analysis and synthesis tools, testing NotebookLM, ChatPDF, and Perplexity. NotebookLM, developed by Google, operates as a personalized research assistant. By uploading up to 50 sources, including documents, notes, and web pages, NotebookLM builds a closed-loop knowledge base. The tool only answers using the uploaded sources, ensuring high relevance and accuracy. During our testing, we uploaded 3 lengthy industry reports and asked the tool to identify overlapping trends. NotebookLM extracted the common themes, cited the specific pages, and even generated an audio overview discussing the contents. This is helpful for synthesizing scattered information quickly and finding hidden connections. ChatPDF offers a simpler approach, letting users upload a single document and query it through a chat interface. It works well for extracting specific figures from financial reports or summarizing chapters of manuals. However, it lacks the multi-document synthesis capabilities of NotebookLM and struggles when documents exceed a few hundred pages. Perplexity serves a different purpose as a search engine that synthesizes web results. It provides a conversational answer with inline citations linking back to the source websites. While Perplexity is excellent for quick fact-finding, it searches the open web, which means its answers are only as reliable as the websites it indexes. We found that using Perplexity for initial broad research, followed by NotebookLM for deep analysis of vetted documents, created a balanced workflow. It is important to remember that these systems do not possess actual understanding, they are simply matching patterns and extracting text based on probabilistic models. Therefore, human oversight remains essential for maintaining research standards. The key to using these tools successfully is critical evaluation. You must verify that the citations actually support the statements made by the AI. When used with this level of skepticism, these systems dramatically reduce the time required to read and summarize dense materials, allowing you to focus on analysis rather than data retrieval. Finally, we must discuss how to select the appropriate tool combination based on your research objectives. No single application excels at every stage of the research process. If your primary goal is to find academic evidence to back a business case, Consensus and scite.ai are the most reliable options. They connect directly to scientific repositories and prevent the fabrications common in generic chat interfaces. If you are dealing with internal documents, such as customer feedback transcripts or proprietary reports, NotebookLM is the superior choice because of its strict source grounding and multi-document synthesis. For day-to-day web research and quick summaries of recent events, Perplexity remains the most efficient option. In our testing, the most productive researchers did not rely on a single platform, they built a pipeline. They used Perplexity to understand the landscape, Consensus to verify scientific claims, and NotebookLM to organize their findings and draft summaries. Furthermore, learning the specific syntax and capabilities of each tool will help you get better results over time. Investing a few hours in training your team on these tools can pay significant dividends in the long run. When adopting these tools, small teams must establish clear guidelines regarding data privacy, as uploading sensitive corporate data to public models can present risks. Ensure you review the privacy policies of each tool before uploading proprietary information. By taking a systematic approach to tool selection and maintaining a healthy level of skepticism toward AI-generated summaries, you can build a research workflow that is both fast and accurate, giving your team a clear analytical advantage without sacrificing details. Signal Stack AI helps professionals, creators, and small teams understand the AI tools that actually matter. Each video breaks down one workflow, one tool category, or one automation strategy without hype, jargon, or fake promises. If you want to save time, build smarter systems, and stay ahead of the AI curve, this channel gives you clear, practical explanations you can use immediately. This video is general technology education, not a guarantee of productivity gains, software stability, or business revenue. AI tool features, pricing, and terms of service change frequently.